Hi everyone, welcome to HowLogical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a green screen on TikTok. If you want to use the green screen effect on TikTok, then watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to use the green screen feature on TikTok, first make sure to tap open TikTok application. Also, log into your account if necessary. Once you're inside, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. Select Effects as soon as you open up your camera. It is located at the bottom left. From the Trending tab, look for the green screen icon. Once you choose the effect, you'll be able to see this interface. Choose any photo from your phone library to use your background and hit record. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to record your video with the green screen effect. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.